Hi, welcome back to the craft room. I'm here a bit late. Christmas happened. This is for the fourth unboxing of my Hobbii Advent calendar from Hobbii. I'll just do a quick recap of what we've already done. This was the first week. Lovely little hat. It uses star stitch, and that was quite fun to make. Then there was this one, which took me a very long time to make. I'm not very good with repeating patterns where the yarn doesn't change. This was a tea towel. Turned out quite big. It uses the drop stitch pattern, so the front and the back are fairly similar. I did change the border. The pattern had half double crochets. I found that made the edge a bit too ripply for me, so I changed it to a single crochet, and then I did a slip stitch row in the back loop, and it just bordered in and made it flatter. It's all cotton. That was the Egyptian baby cotton, so that's quite nice and very absorbent. And then the third pattern was for a tube shape neck warmer. You know, it comes up under the neck, and then the bottom bit you put your collar over. I didn't think anyone would use that here. At the moment it's summer, as you can tell by my dress. So I made this. This is called the Dream Shine Scarf. It is also free on the Hobbii website. And I used all the balls that you use together. And I'm 6 foot tall, and it's well and truly past my waist, folded over around my neck. So it's a decent sized scarf, nice width, and it's got these lovely little lace bits on the edge. Now you can see the sparkles from the sequin yarn. I think I have the leftover right here. So I had that much left over from the 2 cones, but I used all the Zephyra, which is the smooth yarn that was with it. If you look on the previous video, I'll show you that. So that turned out all right. Get my hair out of the way. So that's the first 3 done. Now we have the 4th one. It's our lovely box. Now, first thing we have is the link sheet, which gives you the link where to find this pattern in a few different languages, which is good. And the pattern itself is a pair of wrist warmers. I didn't print out the cover sheet because I was trying to save on ink, but I think you can see from the pictures what they look like. Alright, so the yarn we have looks like, yes it is, this is Diablo, which has mohair and nylon in it. Mohair, nylon and acrylic, so that should be fairly hard wearing. We also have a wool, a Highland wool, both of them in this lovely mustard colour. It's going to look wonderful next to my skin, but anyway. We have some lovely buttons. They are shank buttons, so they will protrude a bit on the wrist, so you may have to be creative in how you use them. You also get some sparkle yarn, which I haven't read the pattern yet, but I'm pretty sure you will use combined with the other yarns. And now for our extras. We have Eucalan, which is a detergent that is really good for washing wool and wool products with. You also have a little tin of lip balm and a little, if I can dig it up, card saying what's in the lip balm. Main ingredient is shea butter, and last but not least, a little chamomile tea. I might give that to my husband. I don't really like chamomile, but anyway. And that's it. So I will do one more video when I have another plane. Some planes today. I'll do another video when I finish the last one, and I'll also include showing you all the little accessories that came with it all together. They kind of make like a kit, which is great. You know, you get something you can continue using. Okay, so I will see you next time. Bye.